Hey, this is Bill with PDR Mobile here. And I'm excited to talk about our iScan launch today in the Apple iStore. And one of the accessories that you're going to need to use iScan along with a good Dent Mirror is our marker. And so this marker, which I'm going to show you here in a minute, helps calibrate, not helps, it does calibrate the artificial intelligence engine, and so we can get the proper size of a dent. So I'm going to go into iScan, use my camera here. This is the Dent Mirror. So this is a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter image with a 1 centimeter border, white border around it. I laminated this because I want it to lay flat and I can reuse it. And then I went down to Ace Hardware, got these little suction cups. They're pretty slick, helps with aluminum panels. I just poked a little hole. In here so you can put it on glass or wherever you want it. Here's a piece of glass and stick on that. If I was going to do this rail, I can have it sitting there. If you're going to do a side panel, here's a fender. I could poke it there. I could do my fender scan. And it's really simple to use. But I also want to make everybody aware that you don't have to get one image on a panel. You can have multiple scans in an area because the application understands you're still in the panel and it'll do the math for you, and it'll just count, it'll keep counting as you do your scanning. So I'll demonstrate that real quick here. You can see somebody's already dotted this car up, so it's going to make it kind of difficult to scan. So there's a couple of dents here that aren't covered by the dot. So I'm going to take that image. I'm going to use that. I'm going to go in and highlight my area that I want it to scan. We'll see if it'll. Some of those dots are covering up the actual dents. Let's see what happens here. So now it's going through the AI engine for the dent detection. And it just picked up that one that wasn't covered up, which is fine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use that result. So that could have 30 dents on it, and we're going to go over here. I'm still in the panel. I'm going to tap on iScan again. There's another dent that's not covered up. I'm going to take an image of that, use that photo. I'll identify the area I want to scan. I just tap on the screen to do that and just create that surface area. It could be any shape that you need it to be. You just can't have the marker within your scanning zone. Okay, it found that big dent, that bigger, so I use that result. So now what the system has done, it says, hey, you're still in the range of 1 to 5. The average is a nickel. I'm on aluminum. Let's say this is aluminum hood. I can add R&I the hood liner. There's no nozzles on this, and I can just hit done. And now the system has done all the work for you. So I go back into the hood. I open up the upper right-hand corner of the camera icon. Here's the hood images that we just took. There's that one. There's the second one. Now those are attached into the PDF file. So if you want to send this document to somebody, an insurance company or customer, you'll have everything. They'll have everything they need to make a good decision about paying that claim. And I'll show you what that quickly looks like. There's those images of the scans, and you'll see here download photos. When they receive that PDF, all they need to do is select that download photos, and it's one click and download for them. Thanks for taking time to watch this, and I hope you enjoy using iScan.